Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on Clash Royale. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. Follow the instructions on the card packaging and check the balance online or via phone. After that, add your gift card to your payment methods on Android. Go to Google Play Store settings. Select payment methods and enter the card details. On iPhone, go to Apple ID settings, tap payment and shipping and add the card. Now open Clash Royale. Go to the shop and select the item you want to buy. At checkout, choose your Visa gift card as the payment method. Complete the transaction and you are all set. Enjoy your purchases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips.